In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Metro Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in metrobankonline.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Metro Bank. Just click on the accept all button for the cookie settings, and now in order to log into your account, just click on the login button at the top right corner. Now just click on your appropriate login account and you will be redirected to the login page. You will now be asked to enter your 12-digit customer number or your username, so just go ahead and type in either one of those and then click on the continue button. Then you will be asked to enter your password or your login code. So just type it in and click on the continue button once again, and you will be logged into your account with Metro Bank. In case you forgot your user ID, your customer number or your password, you can click on the forgot button underneath the continue button and you will be redirected into another page from which you can reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Metro Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.